Hey, YouTube, Cat here checking in with another video. Today, we back with DMV Hoods and Beef. This right here says MarrV shot by Fox 5, long live. Like what, bruh? Bird goes Alias with new young jump. Hey, let's get into this video.
Today we will discuss MarrV and young Slime gets shits dropped on them while leaving the Circle 7, and it would all happen on live. And we will also discuss Bird Shiesty goes Alias with his new young jaunt. First, we will get into this wicked live video of young Slime and MarrV getting shot at by Double O and other Fox 5 members. MarrV would go live inside Circle 7 and Belt Boys, aka Double O, who is Fox 5 and is shouted out by Young Threat. A lot would comment saying he's in that car with the men 8 minutes away. Stay right there. We're bringing that shit to your rip, fuck nigga. And soon after those comments, MarrV would continue to bluff and walk outside, dropping his location, and he would continue walking, trying to sound and look sweet until a free car would pull right there. And that's when his smile would turn upside down. After spotting the free car, MarrV would say, "Who this right here?
What's this?
What's this?" And the nigga would just continue walking, looking all nicked and shit. This nigga looked like he's seen a ghost man. All that rapping about Blats and Drakes and shit. Then when shit get real, niggas ducking and running from shots. MarrV ain't post shit. I think it's safe to say long live him. The streets would have a lot to say about this bluffing ass young nigga getting shits drop on him.
Yeah, I see these two fits, you hear me? You know. Anything I see, I'm current. You hear me? You hear me? Used to work on my aim, used to walk across the bridge. Oh, bro, who this right here? What's this? Watch this jump. Hey.
And for the next topic, we will discuss Bird goes Alias with his new young jaunt. Recent pictures would surface of Bird with his new young jaunt, and he would try to be low-key about it by blocking her face. But whole time, we already hip to him. and the streets would say they recognize her from somewhere, and whole time she on the run and currently ducking the jumpers. While on the run, she knows without any real connections and resources out in these southeast streets, she won't last a second. So she would link with Bird. Shiesty and he would spoil her with all her needs while on the run and treat her like a queen. This may also be a true southeast love story, because Bird would also bring out the bust down Timu watch around her. So that means he really trusts her and his back door is closed. The streets would have a lot to say about Bird and his new chick. That's the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe!